Let's make it count, buddy. Keep on going, keep on going. You can. You can. Keep it up. Just go for it. Mindset. It's all about mindset. Just go for it. Yeah, you can. You can. 8, 9, and 10. That's our 100 burpees. Burpees sir. Because people probably don't know how to perform them properly. हार्ड तो है, पर इस वीडियो में मैं वो सब चेंज करने वाला हूँ. मैं अपना रूटीन बताने वाला हूँ आपको कि किस तरह आपको ये बर्पीज परफॉर्म करने हैं और किस तरह आप इजी वेरिएशन से एडवांस वेरिएशन में आराम से जा सकते हो. आपके लिए लाइफ चेंजिंग हो सकता है. तो वीडियो में बने रहिए, आगे बढ़ते हैं. बिफोर दैट, अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं, लाइक कमेंट सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, अपना सपोर्ट दिखाएं. So when I started doing burpees, they were hard for me also. So how I did this, I categorized it into different categories: level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. You can see them on the side of the video. So let's get started. Let's meet at the end of the video. Burpees burns fats and calories at the same time and builds muscle at the same time. So this is the overall full body exercise which you need to do. And I'm going to tell you how this exercise changed my routine, my schedule, how it got to shredded like this. So let's get started with our 100 burpees. अब मैं आपको easiest variation से बताने वाला हूँ कि कोई भी beginner भी इस चीज को start कर सकता है. Let's get it. So the first exercise which we are going to do is no jump, no push-up burpee. This is one of the easiest progression, even a beginner can do it. तो ये बहुत अच्छी एक्सरसाइज है आपके वार्म अप के लिए. आगे जो आप एडवांस वेरिएशंस करने वाले हो बर्पीज के, उसके लिए आपका अच्छा सा वार्म अप हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. तो इस तरीके से इसको परफॉर्म किया जाता है. तो आपको 10 रेपिटेशंस करने हैं इसके. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज जो हम करने वाले हैं उसे बोलते हैं बर्पीज विदाउट अ पुशअप. तो कुछ इस तरह दिखते हैं ये भी बहुत अच्छी एक्सरसाइज है, बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्रेशन है. बिगिनर सेकंड लेवल, इसे भी हर कोई परफॉर्म कर सकता है. गो फॉर द 10 reps फॉर दीज टू. कीप इन माइंड टू मेंटेन द फॉर्म. आपका फॉर्म अच्छा होना चाहिए. एंड लेट्स गो फॉर द 10 reps. So okay, there we have it. Now this is a rest period of around 20 seconds. Now next we are going to introduce push-up motion to our burpees. So इस variation को कहते हैं half burpees. What you are going to do, just go to the push-up position, push down and just come up on the floor, half seated. This is how you perform a half burpee. Now आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ से हमने push-up motion को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया है. अब फर्दर वेरिएशंस धीरे धीरे टफ होने वाले हैं. सो बी रेडी फॉर दैट. सो कैच योर ब्रेथ एज वी मूव ऑन टू अनदर एक्सरसाइज. ये फुल बर्पीज है बट विदाउट जंप. तो आपको अपना फॉर्म मेंटेन रखना है और इसके भी 10 reps करने हैं. ध्यान रखें आपका फॉर्म अच्छे से मेंटेन रहे. दैट इज़ गोना हेल्प यू फर्दर विद अदर एडवांस एक्सरसाइजेस. Alright, so catch your breath. Now we are going to move on to full on burpees. Just similar progression to previous one. Just we are going to add jump to this. This is called full on burpees. Let's get it, man. Always try to maintain the form. That's must. I am saying it each and every time. Form सबसे ज़रूरी है. तो अभी तक हम sweating out. Body is already pumped up. Let's get it, baby. 50 more to go after this. Go edX, you can do it. So friends, already sweating out. 50 more to go. Let's get it. Alright athletes, so now we are going to move to bit difficult progression, that is single leg burpee. आप चाहे तो कोई दूसरा अल्टरनेटिव भी ले सकते हैं. इसके भी आपको 10 reps परफॉर्म करने हैं. So hold your breath properly, take proper rest and then go for it. So this is how you perform it.
here.
So there you go. Now again we are going to do single leg burpees, just switching the legs. You can do it, Abhishek. Go for it. Well done. That's why I like burpees. One of the best cardio exercises. I can do this all day. Great. Keep on going.
Starting mode to go.
Okay, so shake your arms off, chill down, and take the progression which best suits you at that particular moment, which we have already gone through. Now we are going to move with burpees with no jump. Let's get it. Okay, so I've already started feeling fatigue. So go ahead, stop, take a second, catch your breath, and use a easier progression. This time again we are going to move with half burpees. Let's get it done. Headaches.
So 90 burpees done. We are on to our final set. Let's get last set. It's going to be hard. Let's get it.
Alright, so as I said, we're right down to the last set. So here we go. This is the tougher one. Burpees with high knee jumps. Let's get it, Abhishek. Let's make it count, buddy. Keep on going, keep on going. You can. You can. Keep it up. Just go for it. Mindset. It's all about mindset. Just go for it. Yeah, you can. You can. 8, 9, and 10. That's our 100 burpees.
It's finally 100 burpees completed. You can see sweating. So dropping out of my body. With the pump in the body. Make sure you follow this routine daily, or at least twice or thrice a week. That's what I do. I need to focus on my skill part also. इसलिए मैं हफ्ते में 2 या 3 दिन इसे प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ. पर आप अगर स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, नॉर्मली फिट रहना चाहते हो कार्डियो के साथ, so I prefer you do it daily or start with 2 to 3 days in a week and get on fire. Before that, अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं, लाइक कमेंट सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, अपना सपोर्ट दिखाएं. जय हिंद.